Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial about equalities and inequalities continued. So in our previous tutorial we took a look at the equals sign to see if two values are equal, and we also took a look at not equal. And in this tutorial we're going to check how to compare values once again, where one value can, for example, be smaller than another value. So is 0 smaller than 1? Well, yes, 0 is smaller than 1, so this statement is true. Now, if we say is 0 greater than 1? Well, no, that statement is false. Now, is 1 smaller than 0? That is also false. But if we say is 1 greater than 0, then yes, that is true. We can also see if a value is smaller than or equals to another value. So is 0 smaller than 0? That's obviously false. However, if we say is 0 smaller than or equals to 0, then yes, that's true. Likewise, we can say is 0 greater than 0? And no, that's not the case. However, is 0 greater than or equals to 0? And yes, that's true. We can also use the less or greater than, or less and equal or greater and equal to compare strings. So for example, is A smaller than B? And the answer is yes, because the way that you would, for example, sort words in a dictionary in the alphabetical order, well, this is the same order which is being used here for comparing strings. And in fact, it's using alphanumerical sorting. So if you put numbers in strings, that will also work, because they're being sorted alphanumerically. So 0 and A is smaller than 0 and B. Or AA, all capital, is smaller than AB. And this pretty much concludes this tutorial about equalities and inequalities. And I hope you'll join me in our next tutorial, where we are going to delve into conditional statements. Thanks for your time, and see you soon.